So you're looking to build an authority on LinkedIn and attract some potential clients. Well, I've got a secret weapon to share with you today. And now this is actually going to be one of my shortest videos. So please listen and watch to the end and don't forget to subscribe. It's going to be about offering free consultations. It's a game changer, trust me. First, let's talk about why this is a great idea. When you offer free consultations, you are showing the world that you are an expert in that field and you are building trust and credibility with potential clients, and you are also generating leads like crazy. Plus you get to improve your services and get feedback from real people. Well, as for me, it's a win-win. I've done a lot of free consultations and I can actually attest to this. Think about it. When someone is considering working with you, they want to know that you know your stuff. And what better way to prove it than by offering a free consultation? It's like a test drive, but instead of a car, this time it's your expertise. Now, let me remove this disclaimer. There are some people that actually book a free consultation just to pick your brain. That one is quite different, because when you notice or perceive those kind of people, you are able to stop it or try to divert a little bit. You should know what to do in that case. Now, before you start offering free consultations, make sure you are prepared. Define your niche and target audience. I shared a video on how to define your niche, and you can check it out here. I'm gonna pin it down here. So you should also make sure your LinkedIn profile is looking very, very sharp. You want to stand out, right? Also, prepare a clear and concise pitch and identify what makes you unique. What sets you apart from the competition? Next, let's talk about how to actually offer these free consultations. Create a post or article announcing your offer and engage to reach a wider audience. Engage with interested users and schedule a call. Well, you have to really keep it simple and use LinkedIn's built-in messaging system for communication. And also don't forget to follow up with a thank you note and a call to action. Some final steps to keep in mind: you have to be clear about what you're offering. Number 2, set boundaries and be prepared and punctual for the consultation. Number 3, take notes and follow up with an action plan. And hey, if you get some feedbacks or testimonials, that's just an icing on the cake. Also, remember that free consultations are not only about attracting clients, but also about building relationships and trust with your existing network. It's a great way to stay top of mind and show your network that you are always willing to help. So there you have it. Offering free consultations on LinkedIn is a no-brainer. It's totally a win-win for everyone involved. So give it a try and watch your personal brand and business thrive. And hey, if you are feeling generous, kindly share this video with someone who could use a boost on LinkedIn. Let's help each other out and build a supportive community. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and watch every other video you see on the screen or in the comment section or in the description, or you can check out my playlist. There are a lot of other videos that are gonna be helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.